Where's the port?
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Where's the port? Ah, okay. Very good. So can you show me your name real quick?
Yes,
What's in here?
My name's Brian. I've got a pair of DC XL12 on a Synergy 3.1. I actually wired at 2 ohm right now because I don't have the voltage.
Better safe than sorry.
Yes.
What is the box tuned to?
38.
38? Okay. I see you did some work on the back end. Did that help? It did?
Yes.
You're on Team Crucial Sounds?
Yes. Just joined them about a month ago.
All right. Yeah, I love to hear it. 145 for your peak? Okay.
Just because I'm averaging like a 145, 146 on the meter right now.
Yeah.
So not bad for being wired at 2 ohms.
Yeah. Yeah, man. When you get your voltage working right, wire it down to half ohm, it's going to be probably 3 times as loud.
I'm going to recode them for a dual one. Then I'll drop each one down to half. Because I'm going to be running 2 more, another sub amp.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome, Jake.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.